Hello everyone, welcome to PharmaGrid. So today we are going to continue with the pharmaceutical calculations. Starting with question number 1. If 500 ml of a 15% volume by volume solution of methyl salicylate in ethanol is diluted to 1750 ml, what is the percentage strength? Okay, so in this question we need to find out the percentage strength. So in the question it is expressed as percentage volume by volume. So percentage volume by volume means ml per 100 ml. So 15% volume by volume will be 15 ml methyl salicylate present in 100 ml of the product. Firstly, we need to find out how much methyl salicylate is present in 500 ml of the product. We know that 15 ml is present in 100 ml. So let it be x ml present in 500 ml. By cross multiplying, we will get the value of x as x is equal to 500 ml into 15 divided by 100. That will be equal to 75 ml methyl salicylate. And this 75 ml methyl salicylate is diluted to 1750 ml. Therefore, its percentage volume by volume will be the 75 ml divided by 1750 ml into 100. Okay, in order to convert anything to percentage, we need to multiply it by 100. Okay, so the 75 divided by 1750 into 100 is equal to 4.29%. Okay, so the percentage strength is 4.29%. Here the correct answer is option A. Next question. If 50 ml of a 1:20 weight by volume solution of aluminum acetate is diluted to 1000 ml, what is its percentage strength? Okay, so in the question they have given it as 50 ml of a 1:20 weight by volume solution of aluminum acetate. So firstly find out how much aluminum acetate is present in 50 ml. In the question they have given that 1:20 weight by volume solution. So 1:20 means 1 gram is present in 20 ml. Okay, so 1 gram is present in 20 ml. So let it be x gram present in 50 ml. So by cross multiplying we will get the value of x is equal to 50 into 1 divided by 20. That is equal to 2.5 gram. So 2.5 gram is present in 50 ml. And this 2.5 gram is diluted to 1000 ml. Okay, so therefore its percentage weight by volume will be 2.5 gram divided by 1000 ml multiplied by 100. So that will be equal to 0.25% weight by volume. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 0.25% weight by volume. Next question. How many ml of a 1:400 weight by volume stock solution is needed to make 4 liters of a 1:2000 weight by volume solution? So in the question, we need to prepare 4 liters of a 1:2000 weight by volume solution from a stock solution having concentration 1:400 weight by volume. Okay, so firstly, we will find out how much drug is present in 4 liter of the diluted solution. So in this 4 liter, the concentration they have given it as 1:2000. So 1:2000 weight by volume means 1 gram is present in 2000 ml. Okay, so let it be x gram is present in 4 liters. 4 liters means 4000 ml. So by cross multiplying, the value of x is equal to 4000 into 1 divided by 2000. That is equal to 2 gram. And secondly, now find out the volume of the strong solution. The strong solution or the stock solution, the strength is 1:400, that contains 2 gram. So 1:400 weight by volume means 1 gram is present in 400 ml. So 2 gram present in YML. Okay, let the volume take it as Y. Therefore Y is equal to 2 into 400 divided by 1, that is equal to 800 ml. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 800 ml. So the point to be kept in mind is that when we dilute a medicine, the active ingredient quantity remains unchanged. However, the concentration of the medicine changes. Question number 29. You are to prepare 100 ml of a solution of formaldehyde of such strength that 10 ml diluted to 1 liter will give a solution containing formaldehyde 0.15% weight by volume. What volume of formalin BP will be required? So the formalin BP is equal to 36% weight by weight formaldehyde and the density is equal to 1.08 gram per ml. Okay, so here we need to prepare 100 ml of a solution of formaldehyde. The strength is such that the 10 ml diluted to 1 liter will give a solution containing formaldehyde 0.15% weight by volume. So we know that 0.15 percentage weight by volume means 0.15 gram is present in 100 ml. Okay, so let it be x gram present in 1000 ml. Therefore, x is equal to cross multiplying. We will get 0.15 into 1000 divided by 100, that is equal to 1.5 gram. And this 1.5 gram is present in 10 ml. Okay, so in the question they have given that the 10 ml is diluted to 1 liter. Okay, so we have found out the amount in 1000 ml. That is the amount in 1000 ml is 1.5 gram. This is the same amount that will be present in 10 ml. Okay, so even if we dilute, the amount will not change. Okay, so the 1.5 gram is present in 10 ml and let it be y gram present in 100 ml because we need to prepare 100 ml of solution of formaldehyde. Okay, so 1.5 gram is present in 10 ml and let it be y gram present in 100 ml. Therefore, y is equal to 1.5 into 100 divided by 10, that is equal to 15 gram of formaldehyde. Okay, so we got the amount of formaldehyde present in 100 ml. Okay, so 15 gram of formaldehyde is present in 100 ml. Now we need to find out how much formalin do we need. Okay, so here the concentration of formalin given as 36% weight by weight. So 36% weight by weight means 36 gram is present in 100 gram. So let it be 15 gram present in x gram because we need to find out the amount. Okay, amount. So 15 gram present in x gram. So therefore x is equal to 15 into 100 divided by 36. That is equal to 41.67 gram of formalin. So the amount of formalin required is equal to 41.67 gram. And we need to convert this into volume. Okay, so the equation will be that will be related to the density. Okay, in the question they have given the density. So density equation is equal to mass by volume. So here they have given the density and we know the mass of formalin required. So volume is equal to mass by density, that is equal to 41.67 gram divided by density, that is 1.08 gram per ml. So the answer will be 38.6 ml. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 38.6 ml. Next question. 10 ml of a 1% weight by volume of aminacrin hydrochloride is diluted to 1 liter and then 10 ml of this dilution is further diluted to 1 liter. So what will be the concentration in milligram per liter of the final solution? In the question they have given that 10 ml of a 1% weight by volume of aminacrin hydrochloride. So 1% weight by volume means 1 gram is present in 100 ml. So let it be x gram present in 10 ml. Therefore, x is equal to 10 into 1 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.1 gram. So the 0.1 gram is present in 10 ml. Okay, so in the question they have given that this 10 ml is diluted to 1 liter. Okay, so even after the dilution, the amount will not change. Okay, so this 10 ml is diluted to 1000 ml. So this 1000 ml also contains 0.1 gram. Okay, so 0.1 gram is present in 1000 ml and we need to find out the amount of drug present in 10 ml. Okay, we need to find out the amount of drug present in 10 ml of this diluted solution. Take it as y. Okay, so therefore y is equal to 0.1 into 10. Okay, by cross multiplying we will get it as 0.1 into 10 divided by 1000. That is equal to 0.001 gram. And this is again diluted to 1000 ml. Okay, so this 10 ml is again diluted to 1000 ml. So the concentration will be 0.001 gram present in 1000 ml, or we can express it as 1 milligram per liter. So here the correct answer is option A, that is the concentration in milligram per liter of the final solution will be 1. Okay, so with this question we have completed today's calculation series. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.